Guys, let's get these bolts off. Let's get these ones off next. All right. Now we got the arm off. You can use this if you want to. Oh, it's been cut, but there's no arm on this, but it's fine. Here's a street light. Put everything back on it. Here it is, intact. Here's the full thing. But like I said, this thing fell from a pole because they decided to knock it over with a fucking crane thing, or not excavator thing like that. No damage whatsoever. Just a refractor and the bulb. That was it. This is a high pressure sodium because when they got the bulb out, it was a high pressure sodium arc tube instead of a mercury vapor. But here's what the fixture looks like. Here's the top of it. And yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.